resistant and impact resistant, even in cold weather. This means your investment will look great for many years to come. Just look how well the bed handles heavy impacts, even in 20 degrees below zero.
We just wanted to write to say we love our Floe CargoMax trailer. It has always served us well, but we didn't know until recently how much we appreciated its strength and durability. On July 1st of this year, Wisconsin was hit with straight-line winds clocked at 108 miles per hour. After the storm, the CargoMax sat under a mass of fallen trees. The front corner was crumpled under the pressure. We set the trailer to the side of the yard, expecting to write it off, and went on with our day. The next morning, to our surprise, we were amazed to see that the body had popped back into shape. We're happy with our purchase and appreciate the product we've purchased from your company. Bill and Vicki Prock of Danbury, Wisconsin.